So we have an equation, and they want us to find the points, if any, of the horizontal and vertical tangent lines. So I first go to this word, and I remember for any tangent line I need two things, a point and a slope. Well, since it says find the points, that's an indicator to me that I need to find the slope expression. In order to find the slope expression, I need to take the derivative. Since this is not solved explicitly for y, I need to use implicit differentiation. So I'm going to take the derivative using implicit differentiation. I get 2x plus 8y dy dx minus 4 plus 16 dy dx. The derivative of 4 is 0. The derivative of 0 is 0. So now I want to solve for dy dx. I want the derivative of y with respect to x. So I'm going to move this term and this term, which do not have dy dx's, over to the other side. So I'm left with 8y dy dx plus 16 dy dx equals, add 4 to the other side, I get 4, and subtract 2x from both sides. I'm going to factor out the dy dx. And now I'm finally going to solve for dy dx by dividing both sides by 8y plus 16. So I get 4 minus 2x over 8y plus 16. This is the slope expression of the tangent line. So in this slope expression, we want to find where I have a horizontal and a vertical tangent line. Well, there's some information that I can gather from this. A horizontal line has a slope of 0, and I know a vertical line has a slope of undefined. And it just so happens our slope expression is a ratio. In a fraction, if the numerator equals 0, then the whole fraction equals 0. Therefore, I can just use the numerator, set that equal to 0, and that's going to give me the values at which I have a horizontal tangent line. If I set the denominator equal to 0, that means the whole fraction is undefined. Therefore, if I just use the denominator equal to 0, that's going to give me the values where I have a vertical tangent line. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find those values. On this side, I'm going to do the horizontal, and over here I'm going to do the vertical. So I'm going to take the numerator for horizontal, take the numerator, 4 minus 2x, set it equal to 0, and over here, for the vertical, I'm going to set the denominator equal to 0. So 8y plus 16 equals 0. I solve for x. 4 equals 2x. X equals 2. Solve for y. 8y equals negative 16. Y equals negative 2. Now this is the x value of where we would have a horizontal tangent line. This is the y value of where we would have a vertical tangent line. I need to take these values and plug them back into the original equation in order to find the points. Because in the original question, they want the points, x comma y. And I'll do that in part 2.